All right, well, I'm in my 2012 Mustang, and I want to do a little job today. And what it is the blower motor. Now, the blower motor in this car works fine. Problem is that it's just gonna turn it off for a sec. It's it's got a hum, and it's very annoying. I don't know if this is normal or not. We've had this car for a few years, and it's kind of always been like this. This is what the blower sounds like. I mean, it blows lots of air. It's not an issue. And at higher speeds, I mean, you hear the rush of the air, and that's fine. But on the lower settings, oh, excuse me, I keep hitting the emergency. The four ways there. On the lower speed, maybe the lowest setting and the second, it's got this real annoying hum. And I was up in the cowl, and I changed the filter and everything, and I didn't see any obstructions in there. I'm not sure if this is normal or not. It was like that when we bought it. And even when you're driving with the engine running, I find this hum annoying. So what I want to do is I want to replace that blower motor. So I went and I ordered one from Rock Auto, and this is what I ordered. It was not that expensive. It is for a 2012 Mustang, and here it is. So I'm not sure what kind of job it's going to be to do this. I did one of these last year on my $500 Civic, and it was pretty straightforward. I mean, and this one here kind of looks like the same arrangement, just basically 3 screws, probably under there somewhere. So I'm going to change this out, and hopefully I didn't not wasting my time and my money, because this is an aftermarket blower, and gosh, for all I know, it could be noisier than the old one, but it's worth a try. This one here is about 11 years old, so let's get under there, let's pull this out, and let's install this new one. And once we're done, we'll do a comparison, and hopefully the new blower is quieter than the old one. Now, I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to be able to do under there. Probably very little, because I'm going to be like a contortionist on my back with my legs hanging out the side. I've done this before like I said, on the Civic, and it's hard to do any kind of filming, but let's get in there and let's change this out. If anything, we will know if it was worth replacing this, or if I'm just being too picky and I'm wasting my time. So, all right, let's dig in and get this swapped out. Okay, well, this is looking pretty promising. Here's the blower, and yeah, there it is. It's right there. 3 screws. I'm not sure what size they are. Probably maybe something like 8mm or something. And even the cheap Civic had a cover here that I had to remove. This has nothing at all. Fully open. Maybe that's why it's noisy. Or is there a cover that's missing? That would be the question. If anybody sees this video, is there supposed to be a cover that goes here? I don't know. It was like this when I bought the car. Maybe there's something that goes here, and that would keep some of the noise down. If anybody knows, please let me know, because I see little holes here. My fingers are maybe little holes here. Maybe there's something meant to go back here. If there isn't, also let me know. I'm curious. I'm curious how a Mustang would have nothing here, but a Honda Civic has a full cover. Okay, anyway, let's get to these fasteners. Yeah, the purple LEDs are kind of crazy. Anyway, 3 screws. Let's get these down. Okay, well, here's the 2 blowers. Here's the Ford one, and then the aftermarket one. The Ford one is heavier. It has a much more substantial air duct. This one here, Yeah, look how flimsy this is. Dang. Okay, well, this one here has no end play. This one here. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to throw this one out just yet. Ooh. All right. Well, we'll hang on to the Ford one. Put this aside here. Dang. This may have to go back in. I don't know. And the aftermarket one, how does it spin? I don't know. This end plate doesn't give me a warm fuzzy feeling. It really doesn't. I don't know. Just at a glance, the old one seems better. I mean, let's just do a comparison again. Like, it's just crazy. Gosh, maybe I'm really wasting my time here. I mean, holy, the fan. I mean, look at the fan too. The fan's not even as, the fan's only like half the width. So I would say, even if it works perfectly fine, it's definitely going to blow less air, I would think. Oh, stay up like that, stay upright. Yeah. Anywho, it's all about making it quieter, so maybe because it's newer, the bushings and everything, maybe it will be quieter. And on the aftermarket ones, they always put a little tail like this instead of a straight plug-in, so sometimes it makes it easier. You can sort of plug it in before you put the screws in. Anyway, it did come out super easy, so it's going to be a little bit more of a struggle because gravity will be working against me, but all right, let's get this in and let's test. Let's see if it makes a difference. Okay, well, the blower motor is back in place. It literally took a minute. And 8mm or 5/16 seems to be the best fit. All right, let's get to the other side. Let's try this blower out. See if we wasted our time and our money. All right, well, I'm a little bit scared, but oh well, let's try. Okay. Power on, low setting. Oh, I always hit this. Excuse me. Yeah, it doesn't hum, but it's got a bit of an annoying sound too. Okay, well, it definitely blows enough air. Yeah, the hum is gone. There's definitely no hum. So the bushings or whatever were probably wore in the other one. There's no hum. Okay, so it's I guess you could say it's a slight improvement. But I do hear a little There's another noise I'm not crazy about. Okay, we know those work. So, I mean, it blows adequate air, although the squirrel cage was a little bit smaller than the other one. It's got a little ticking sound now. Can't win, I guess. I guess I should have bought a brand new Ford one. Let's get to the other side. The humming noise is gone, and that's what I found the most annoying. That was really bothering me. Yeah, I've got all the screws tight. Excuse me, I'm just trying to take a peek here. Is there anything is there anything rubbing on there? Flexing. Yeah, well, there it is. The hum is gone. It's, yeah, unimotor. Oh my God, it even says made in Canada on there. Wow. I can't blame any foreign country for its cheapness. Let's see when why is it doing that? Yeah, well, it's definitely a cheap aftermarket blower, but it's quieter than the other one, so it is what it is. Sometimes you do get what you pay for, so. Like I was saying, sometimes you get what you pay for, but in the end, it is quieter. The hum, the low drone and the hum is gone. But anyway, if anybody sees this, let me know. Is there a cover that goes under there? Because if there was an insulated cover under there, like my cheap Civic had, it would cut down on some of this racket. Okay, well that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.